Did you know that our brain stores everything in memory, but consciously we only use a small percentage of its content? This is the subject of this video today from IBC Paper Training on how to train effectively operators and technical staff. So how to capture and train apprentice attention, consolidate memorization and facilitate transposition into their daily work when they are overloaded with information, often stressed and unequally motivated. A serious clue emerges. Learn to adapt of the natural functioning of the brain to maximize learning, regardless of generations. One evidence way to better remember what you have learned is through spaced repetition, or spacing out your learning and practice of new knowledge or skills. Here's how it works. Say you plot your retention, or how much you remember of something versus time. Now you learn that something on day 0. Without reviewing it, the forgetting curve will look like exponentially decaying curve. If you review, or better yet, actively retrieve the material at increasingly spaced intervals after learning it, then the forgetting curve starts to flatten out and you will get a lot better long-term retention. Now the goal here is to review the material at the right time. It turns out that the best time to revisit information that you are trying to learn is right around the time you will naturally forget it. Since forgetting typically follows the exponential curve, the trick becomes timing your study sessions around it. Practically, this means having more widely spaced intervals between studying times for the material that you are more familiar with, and shorter intervals between study sessions for material that you are less familiar with. Thanks for watching till the end this video of IBC Paper Training. Remember, train smart, train actively. Stay tuned and see us on our next video.